Hello dear subscribers, they all tell you so how to prepare your partition for installing macOS. So you just need to choose disk utility. Here you will see internal. You just need internal. If you see here container and not partition, so you just need to add here a new tome. So here you can also just choose partition, and here you can also just choose name, and after you just need to tap on add. So you can check this thing here. You just need to tap here, and here you will see two different so you need to see here partitions and not containers, because you just need to format it for some format, because you can't install just inside container your system. So here you can see that my format, it's two different one format but two different partitions. So here you can see that thing. So here you can also add a new one. Just tap on that if you want. So this is the way how you can also do it. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.